Master the art of replacing phrasal verbs in compound sentences. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a specific, yet very important topic in intermediate English grammar: phrasal verbs. More specifically, we're going to explore how to replace phrasal verbs with single-word verbs, focusing on compound sentences. This can make your English sound more formal and polished. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by phrasal verbs and compound sentences. Phrasal verbs are phrases that consist of a verb plus a preposition or an adverb. For example, give up, take off, and break down are phrasal verbs. On the other hand, a compound sentence is a sentence that contains at least two independent clauses, usually joined by a coordinating conjunction like and, or, but. For instance, I wanted to go to the movies, but I had too much work to do. Now, let's explore the power of replacing phrasal verbs with single-word verbs. Why do we do this? It can make your speech or writing sound more formal and sophisticated. For instance, instead of saying, "I'm going to look into it," you can say, "I'm going to investigate it." Next up, we'll delve into the meat of this video, applying this knowledge in compound sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. Original. He couldn't keep up with the class, so he dropped out. Revised. He couldn't maintain pace with the class, so he quit. 2. Original. She's trying to cut down on sugar, but she loves chocolate. Revised. She's trying to reduce sugar intake, but she adores chocolate. 3. Original. I'll look into the matter and get back to you. Revised. I'll investigate the matter and respond to you. Do you see the difference? The revised sentences maintain the same meaning but sound more formal and polished. Finally, practice is key to mastering this skill. I encourage you to take a piece of text, identify the phrasal verbs, and try to replace them with single-word verbs. This will help you internalize the process and make it second nature. And that's it for today, folks. Replacing phrasal verbs with single-word verbs can elevate your English, especially in compound sentences. I hope this video has been helpful and you'll be able to apply this knowledge in your English language journey. Keep practicing and remember, the road to language mastery is paved with patience and persistence. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.